Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to transform this one into homogeneous. So I will put about s equals to u plus a and y, that is about v plus b. And we know that a and b, they are the constant. So the next thing we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one we have the s over dt equals to the u over dt. For this one we have dy over dt equals to dv over dt. So we have dy over ds. And this one we can put about dt on numerator and denominator. So dy over dt, that is about this one. And the s over dt, that is about this one. So we simplify. So dy over the s we change by this one. S we change by this one. Y we change by this one. And now we need to expand. So if we want to create about homogeneous, the constant that should be equals to number 0, or we can create the system of equations. So we have 2a plus 3b equals to negative number 6, or I can put number 6 like this way. Because we want to cancel the constant, that's why equals to number 0. Now I will put negative number 6 in here. Similar for the second one. And now we need to find the solutions of a and b. So a equals to negative 11 over 8. B equals to negative 13 over 12. So if we have this one, we go back in here. So I will put a go in here. B, that is about this one. So we put this one go in here. And this one go in here. So if we simplify everything, we just have only like this. Now we have u and v, they are the root number 1. And this is about homogeneous. So So I will put about v equal to z u. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have dv over du equals to, we do first derivative of z, we have dz over du multiplied by u. Later that we do first derivative of u, we have z, and that is about the product rule of derivative. So this one we change by this one. So v we change by z u. So we have u, and u. We simplify. Next, about z, I will put on the right. Next, we do common denominator. So this one, we have 4z minus 6z squared. So we have 3z minus 4z, we have negative z. Negative, negative, we have positive 6z squared. So I will put this one go to the left, du and u go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate on this one. About this one, we can do about factorization by number 6. So this one we have 1 over 3. So this one in here we can put into number 2 multiplied by 1 over 12. So that means we need to have 1 over 12 square. Later that we need to minus about 1 over 12 square. So this one in here we have 47 over 144. Because I want to create about identities in here. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put this one equals to the square root of 47 over 144, and I will put about 10 t, because if I put this one go in here, we have 47 over 144 10 t square. This one and this one we can do about factorization. 10 t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by dz. So we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dz equals to this one, and we have secant of t squared dt. Because we have z, so I will put this one go to the right. So I will put this one go in here. Z we change by this one. Dz we change by this one. So this one we have 47 over 144 tan t squared. So we can do about factorization by this one. So this one we change by secant of t squared. And now we simplify. Next, I will put this one and this one go outside. And that is about number 2 with the square root of 47 over 47. So this one multiply by this one and this one. So 4 minus 1 over 2, that is about 7 over 2. And tan t, that is about sin t over cosine t. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 7 over 2, we have 7 over 2t. The integration of this one with negative sin t over cosine t, we have positive this number in here, multiplied by ln of the absolute value of cosine t. And then I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So we divide both sides by this one. And now we have t equals to octane of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. T should be in here. So t we change by this one. And now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. This one we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. Now about z, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by u, and now we need to change z into this one. about V and U. So we have this one in here. So I will put this one and this one go to the left. So about U, that is about this one. About V, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.